So we're now looking at our fridge, and you can see that there's 3 dials on there. The first dial, that's your element selector, okay. The second dial is your temperature, and also it helps you prime the gas system. And the third silver button, that is your gas igniter. Those will only be used when you're on the gas side of things. So if you go right at the very end as well, we've got a little needle display, and that will let us know that the gas is operating properly or not. And you can see just inside the fridge there that we know it's working because it's illuminated blue. So go to the first dial, and we're going to twist it round until the lever's at the bottom. That's the gas operation. We're going to go to the second dial. We're going to push it in and twist it round. Holding it in, we're going to push the silver button in until the fridge ignites on the gas. Slowly release the second button and turn it to the desired temperature, and then we should see on the little green needle, the orange needle there going into the green, which is going to let us know that the fridge is working correctly. Go back to the first dial. We're going to twist it round to the round about to 2 o'clock, and that's the hookup cable. We don't have to do anything, we don't have to press an igniter for that to work, but we do have to select the fridge temperature again with the second dial by twisting it accordingly. And then finally, we've got the lever roughly 4 or 5 o'clock. That is for the vehicle battery. That only works when the engine's running, and it acts more as a cool box for the fridge. It's not a very efficient way of running the fridge. It just keeps your items cool when you're in transit. All the way around to 12 o'clock. That turns the fridge off. You can see the blue lights off. And that's how you use a Dometic 3-way fridge. Thanks, Graham.